So today I'm going to be trying the Dairy Queen birthday cake flavor shake. Uh, I got it and then it started melting. So when I got home, I put it in my freezer. So now it's like pretty good. I don't know. But let's get to it. All right. So if you look in here, it has like, oh, frick. It has like chunks of like birthday cake in it. I don't really know. Yeah. Um, it's pretty good. It's really sweet. It's a little rich for my liking, but if you're a fan of the birthday cake flavor, I 100% recommend this. Yeah, I recommend this for sure. Um, has like sprinkles in it. The ice cream itself isn't actually vanilla flavored. It's like actual birthday cake flavored. Um, yeah. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Um, yeah, this is enjoyable. Cool. I don't know. It is a bit sweet though. So, not really a fan of the chunks of like cookie dough or whatever it is. I don't really know how to feel about that. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. The ice cream is probably the best part for me. But it's like $5 for a medium at Dairy Queen. So if you like birthday cake, then go out and buy yourself a birthday cake blizzard from Dairy Queen. All right, guys, bye.